Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is 9th January and my video topic is what is the full stack developer. What is a full stack developer? Full stack developers are developed by a project all over the project like front end and back end. This is known as a full stack developer. Full stack developers are broadly classified into two types. One is the front end developer and second is the back end developer. What is meant by first one is a front end developer. What is meant by front end developer? Front end developer means to develop the front side of the side, and there are various technology used in the front end developer that is called the UIX. These are the HTML and CSS. These are the various type of technology are used in the front end development. What is meant by UIX? UIX is the user interface to interact with the users. This is known as user interface, and UX means the user focusing to the entertaining the users by to focus by UX. The various technology used in this UI front-end developer since HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are all the part of the front-end developers. In second part of the full stack developers is back-end developers. Back-end developers are generally not seen in the user. This is the backs generally are not seen in the user. This is the logical entity are stored in the backend, and various type of logics are developed, and also more number of data are stored with the help of SQL, MySQL, and Oracle, or various such like of that. In backend developers, the various technologies use. This is called the various languages are used to implement and to develop a logic or to write the logic. That is called Java, Python, C++, and so many are language are used in the backend developers in backends. And also data also store in backend. How to connect the backend to the front end, they are discussed when in a URL HTTP requests are passed sent to the backend, and this HTTP request their URL code are seen. That means in this URL code they send to the exact location by using the IP address of the machine but in machine various processes are performing simultaneously, but which they choose which one is our processing. There is by using the prompt number. Prompt number is a number. The exact location of the application. In this application, like Spring Boot, in this application, the write in the code a logical entity in this project are written in the form, and they communicate to backend and front end. That is prompt number is a number to HTTP request to send the exact application. In the application go to the HTTP request, the various classes are involved, but a request controller to control the classes control the classes, and the HTTP request sent to the exact location of the class and exact point of the method. These are the and these are logical entity are performing, and the response of the HTTP request is sent by the server Spring Wave. This is all the communication between front end and back ends, and also communicate with the large number of data are stored in the database management. These are also stored. This is all the communication between front and back end. Now various technology used is in the back end, like Spring Boot and various language are using to write the logical entity. This is all about the full stack developer. Full stack developer are develop overall development front end and back end. These are not separate. This all the information are in the mind, and this is all about the full stack development. Thank you.